Yeah, they down with this. Cause they down with this.
Kia ora e te whānau nau mai hara mai ki te kura tuaroa o nā tautama tāne o Kirikiriroa. Deep here and put some pressure on Kirikiriroa early as we do see Kirikiriroa gain possession. It was taken there by their 12 and we do see the strong carry here from Vuniwai to see how Kirikiriroa defend this. And they do stay down, they don't go for this. But there's a wraparound play here for Tauranga and they're going over. Can he get it down? He does. Kirikiriroa on defense and still space out wide here for Tauranga. And they do get hands here and it's open play here for Tauranga. They've actually broken free. There's a chip over the top here by the 14 Emmett. And it bounces perfectly for him. That's a try. They can get themselves back in this one as the ball, unfortunately, it's fallen here for the 10 from Tauranga Jackson, but he decides to drop kick it over right from the sideline, Zach. Or they keep it simple when they do. It is a more, and they are going to try and get to the korkiri. It's going for, they've got momentum. Tauranga, Kirikiriroa, they're going to want to be careful, and it's over there for Tauranga, so Horan. The hooker from Tauranga scores in half a metre. Out here to Te Whare. Kiwa Rata. He's very close. Half a metre here for Kirikiriroa. Wales, he wants to have a crack, and he does, but he's centimetres here, Whānau, from the try line. Cameron the Bulls, it's gone to the blind, and that's it. Beautiful try there from the number 1 Lawson. Well done. And they've gone to the tap, sorry Zach, they've gone to the tap again. I'm surprised around this strategy, but it does mean that they can keep possession and just continue to build phases, and the referee has his arm out again as Tauranga look to hold Kirikiriroa up in the air. And no advantage. Young line this up. It's a penalty right out in front. He strikes it well, and that's over. So, te kaumā whitu ki te te kau. Scholes. He's going to feed possession as the referee Patterson calls set. So, Tauranga with the wide strike here. They're just going to carry and keep it basic. And there's a pop pass off the ground. They're in space, and it's another chip over the top for their 18. He's going to get possession, and he's going to score. So, Scholes for Tauranga. Huge set piece here for both sides. One team trying to win this title here. And it's strong here from Tauranga. They've just marched straight towards the try line, and it is a pedal. Saxon. They've gone to the open. He tucks and run. Good tuck and run here. Very close. Ken Ross. He's off his feet. And it's another penalty here. And it's pay on Ross. Tauranga, they're going to try and slow this game down. Carson, he just needs to link up. Cutter. Pass there, and it's a try in the corner for Kirikiriroa. Just took the ball to ground. Nice crash play, and then went same way. But it's a good scrum there from Kirikiriroa. Have put Tauranga under a bit of pressure, but they're able to link up nicely through Spice. Spice, he's off to give it to the 20. Massey's free in space, and he's going to dive in the corner.
As they 7 run, Benny's going to run it straight.
And he's been awesome. Another tackle bust there from Vuniwai. Tip on here. Mahi's been great as well off the bench for Kirikiriroa. Tauranga, they've done well on D, and Carson's tried a little grubber kick, and Tauranga, they're just going to kick the ball dead, and I believe that might be the game. And that is. So Tauranga boys, they will be your second 15 Super 8 champions for Arua Mano, Arua Te Kaumā Whā.
Down with this.
You try, but you can't see me.
'Cause I'm down with this.
Whakarongo and you know.